Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the introduction of the chemistry, and we are also going to see some basic tools that are used in chemistry. So let's start. Chemistry is everywhere in the world, around us, in what we eat, in what we breathe, in how we live, in what we are. It relates to all the physics, medicines, material science, and many other areas of study. So, now there are some types of the chemistry. Let me explain you briefly. Organic chemistry. The study of the carbon compounds that is made up of living things, which contains carbon. And inorganic chemistry, the study of everything else, means it doesn't contain the carbons. Now, biochemistry, the study of the chemical process that go on in living things like animals and plants. You know that they all have all living things are cells. So they research about the cells in detail. So it is called a biochemistry. Then in analytical chemistry, the analysis of the chemicals, their properties and how they react. So in this we can include two elements, and after we can also see their reaction, and if possible we can also separate them both and see the reaction. Now, physical chemistry, the study of physical particles that underlying atoms and compounds, the physical of the chemical compound. In that, like chopping wood, boiling water, like crashing cans and chopping papers and burning papers, etc. There are some more examples, but these are the basics. So now after seeing this all, now let's go to the equipments of the chemistry. Aluminum flask, right over here. Florence flask, beakers, wire gauge, test tube holder, evaporating dish, watch glass, cubic turns, cylinders, cubic and lid, dyeing tube, equipment stand, pinch clamp, filter paper and funnel and cylinders. So these are the tools that are used in chemistry. Now let me show you some tools that I have available in my chemistry lab. So this is the weight scale. Then we have a test tube holder. It works like we can adjust its size, and I can also show you a test tube like this. We can hold it. If the test tube is hot, we can hold it like this. Then we have a test tube holders and some test tubes. Then we have HP scale strips. Then we have over here magnifying glass, which we are all familiar with. Then we have a funnel, which I showed over here. Then we have wire gauge. The bottles used, this is the beaker. This is the dyeing tube. And this is one of the different bottle used in science. To do any experiment, we need safety. So in safety, I have a safety goggles, and there are also some safety coats, safety gloves and mask. So these are the tools and brief information of the chemistry. I hope you liked my video. Thank you.